Daddy cut hair.
Cut hair?
Are you cutting Daddy's hair?
How do you know that scissors cut hair? How many haircuts have you seen? You little stinker. Alright, this one.
Oh. Oh.
You're giving Daddy a haircut?
I cut Daddy cut hair.
Daddy cut hair, very good, honey.
Do you see what she does with the scissors?
Big girl.
Brandon, she goes like this, ew, and throws them.
Like this hair comb?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a stinker.
We cut Daddy hair.
Daddy hair, very good.
Thank goodness those are fake scissors.
Cut hair.
You crazy kid, you. No, no, cut Daddy's chin hair. No. No, Daddy doesn't use scissors for that.
No, you cut the top. Haley cut Daddy's head. Cut his hair on the head.